Today let's see about the amphibians of plant kingdom, that is bryophytes. It is broadly divided into moss and liverworts. Uh, Bryophytes live in area that is rich in water content. They are found in moist shaded areas, hills, humid damp places. So why they are known as amphibious plants? We all know the animals that is capable of living both in water and land are known as amphibians. So here the bryophytes live in soil. That too mostly it is found in areas that is rich in water content. So it lives in soil, but its sexual reproduction occurs only in water. So in order to complete its life, it needs water. Hence it is known as amphibious plant. So it is dorsiventrally flattened. So it has both upper side and lower side. So it has both top and bottom, that is dorsiventral. Flattened, it is flat and it is like looking like a leaf and it will be fleshy. To a substratum, to a base, it will be attached by hair-like structures called rhizoids. Rhizoids may be either unicellular or multicellular. So it is dorsiventral. It has both upper and lower side and it is looking like a leaf. It is attached to the substratum by hair-like structures called rhizoids. So the plant body is a thalloid. Here also it's a thalloid because it is not differentiated into a true leaf, root, stem, just like plants, just like higher plants. Here also the plant body is thallus-like. It may either be prostrate. Prostrate means it may grow horizontal, or erect. It may grow vertical. So as I have mentioned before, the rhizoids may be either unicellular or multicellular. So in this we will be discussing about two words. One is gametophyte and sporophyte. Both are stages of plants. So gametophyte, the plant will be haploid in condition, that is it will have only one set of chromosome and it will produce gametes whose fusion results in the formation of another plant body of the same plant, that is sporophyte. So this is diploid. Two gametes here will fuse, resulting in the formation of diploid structure, that is sporophyte. Here it will produce spores by meiosis. So it is haploid. The spores are haploid, which will germinate into gametophyte. So in a plant, two stages occur. One is gametophyte, another is sporophyte. The gametophytic stage is haploid and the sporophytic stage is diploid. So these two stages alternate with each other. This is known as alternation of generation. So this gametophyte stage and sporophyte stage of the plant alternate with each other, which is known as alternation of generation. So sex organs are produced in structures called antheridium, archegonium. So sex organs are anthrozoids. This is male and it is biflagellate. This is a structure which is the nucleus and it has two flagellum. The female structure archegonium will look like a flask and it has a single egg, that is non-motile. Since it involves fusion of a flagellate, that is motile gamete and non-motile gamete, this type of sexual reproduction is oogamous type. These two gametes will fuse, join together. This is fertilization, resulting in the formation of zygote. So this is haploid, this is haploid. These two combine to form a diploid zygote, which will develop into the sporophytic plant. So sporophytic plant produces spore mother cells which will undergo meiosis to give rise to 4 spores which are haploid in nature. So if you take this, so this is the gametophytic phase and this is the sporophytic phase. This stage will be haploid and this stage will be diploid. Inside this capsule the spores are produced. And here in this gametophyte, this is the female's gamete producing organ and this is the male gamete producing organ. So let's summarize here. So gametophytic phase is haploid. It will produce archegonium, that is female structure, antheridium male structure in two different part of thalli, in two different thalli. The Antheridium will give rise to Anthrozoid, which is flagellate, and Archegonium will give rise to non-motile. Both will fuse in oogamous type, that is fertilization. Fusion is fertilization here, resulting in the formation of zygote, which is diploid. This zygote will develop into embryo, which will develop into the sporophyte, which is diploid. It will produce 4 mother cells. Each cell will undergo meiosis division. As a result of meiosis, from one cell 4 haploid cells are formed. So these spores will develop into gametophyte. So in the same plant, if the part is haploid, that is gametophyte. If the part is diploid, that is sporophyte. And these two are alternate with each other. So gametophyte is giving rise to sporophyte, sporophyte is giving rise to gametophyte, and this kind of alternation is known as alternation of generation. So sporophyte will not grow separately. It will not grow separately. It is found to be attached to a gametophyte. So sporophyte will take its nutrition from the gametophyte. Okay, it is attached to it by one part called foot, and this is known as seta, which will connect this capsule and the foot. And this capsule is the part which bears the spore mother cells and the spores. So it has foot which is embedded in this gametophyte. The function of the foot is to attach the sporophyte to the gametophyte as well as to suck nutrition from the gametophyte. So the sporophytic stage is completely dependent on the gametophytic stage.